Okay, I'm going to repeat the steps. How to properly turn on your computer. First
Sir,
step.
Mac is a Apple computer.
Sorry.
Mac is meaning Apple computer.
Apple computers basically. First of all, you have to check whether all the components are properly connected. So for
Sir, Linux.
Sir, Mac is the Apple computer.
yeah, Mac means Apple computer.
Sir, Linux.
Linux means it's separate operating system. Linux කියලා කියන්නේ වෙනම operating system එකක්. Windows වගේ තමයි ඔයගොල්ලෝ පාවිච්චි කරන. අපි දැන් 7 වසරේ
Windows 10 කියන එක.
ඔව් කියන්න පුතේ.
Windows 10.
Windows 10, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8 ඒ වගේ තවත් මෙහෙයුම් පද්ධතියක් තමයි Linux කියලා කියන්නේ. මම පෙන්නන්නම් ඒක.
Windows කියන්නේ Windows 7.
Mac OS.
Oh, Mac OS.
Excuse me, sir.
ඉතින් මුලින්ම ඔයාලා බලන්න ඕන. හරි මම ආයෙත් කියනවා මුලින්ම first of all you have to check whether all the devices are properly connected. Consider you can ask your question, right? If it is half-away remote like this, don't turn on the computer. So you can see the video. If it is half-away remote, don't turn on the computer. Connect. After checking that, connect the power supply to the switch and turn on the switch. Then give the uninterrupted power supply if you have, turn on that. So I saw an image of UPS. UPS is this kind of thing. So basically it's used to keep the power in case of power failure. Power එක අඩු වුණොත් හෝ power එක නැති වුණොත් එයා ටික වෙලාවක් අපේ computer එක on කරලා තියාගන්න. That's why UPS is used. Then turn on the system unit, then the monitor, and finally give the username and password to log into the computer. Consider it's okay. So if you don't have mic, so what you can do is you can use the chat. You can use the chat and ask the question if you want. Okay, guys, finish writing or still writing?
Yes, sir. Finish writing.
Finish,
sir.
Okay, then how to turn off that? So that should also be learned. No? How to turn off the computer?
Program files.
Yes, how to turn off. Don't
Go
turn
to
off.
Windows
Just
and-
don't go and turn off from the switch. Like TV, you can't.
And go to the Windows and
Hmm.
we have to click the shutdown button.
Right, before shutdowning, we have to save our save our work in files. Then close the running applications. We have to close all these before shutdown, before pressing. So here you have Mac, here Mac menu, you can see shutdown is there. But if you go to Windows menu, Windows වල තියෙනවනේ මේ Windows ගියාම මේ තියෙන්නේ power button එක shutdown power කියලා button එකක් තියෙනවා. But මේක press කරන්න කලින් first you have to close all windows. මේ close button එකෙන් close කරන්න ඕනේ. Save කරපු නැති file තියෙනවා නම් files like this you have to save.
Sir, if the Wi-Fi on, we have to switch off it.
No need. Wi-Fi you can keep. Wi-Fi no need to, because Wi-Fi is separate, no, it's network connection. So no need to switch off that. Because sometimes you need
Windows 7 computer එක screenshot එකක් ගන්න කොහොමද?
Windows 7 computer එකත් screenshot එකක් ගන්න පුතේ print screen කියන button එක තියෙනව නේද? මෙන්න මේක.
Windows
Oh, sir.
screen එකයි යපුවාම.
ඔයාලට පුළුවන් මෙන්න මේ print screen කියන එක මේ තියෙන P print screen ඔයාගේ computer එකේ ඇති මෙහෙම button එකක් PRTSCN කියලා. ඒක ඔබලා when you press that එතකොට screenshot එකක් වදිනවා. Then go to MS Paint. Paint වලට යන්න. මේ තියෙන Paint වලට ගිහිල්ලා මේක paste කරන්න. paste කරන්න කියන මේ මෙතන තියෙන්නේ. paste. එතකොට screenshot එකක් ගන්න පුළුවන්.
ඒක ගොඩක් ගන්න කොහොමද? එක සැරේ ගොඩක් එහෙම ගන්න.
එක සැරේ ගොඩක් ගන්න නම් එක එක ගන්න වෙනවා print screen.
ඒ අපි ගත්ත ස්ක්‍රීන්ෂොට් එක අයින් කරන්න ඕනද?
save කරන්න file save කියලා save කරගන්න. File save then give
Windows 10 එක ලේසි නේද?
sorry
Windows 10 එක ලේසි නේද?
oh 10 එකේ ලේසි.
Sir,
Yes.
I have know the shortcut.
What is that?
Windows key and print screen.
Yeah, Windows key and print screen also work.
Sir, it is on Windows 10.
Yeah, it is just for some versions, not for all the versions, right? And you can use snipper as well. Snipping කියලා එකක් තියෙනවා, ඒකත් පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුළුවන්. SNI කියලා තියෙනවා. Snipping tool. ඒකට ගියත් new ගිහිල්ලා අපිට ඕන කෙනෙක්ගේ දැන් අපිට ඕන මේ අපි ගමු මෙයාගේ ෆොටෝ එක. I can see this capture. Snipping tool. New gihilla, then you can capture and take pictures. Okay, there is another one. Okay, let's go back to our lesson, how to turn off the machine. Close the running applications, then click on shutdown icon. Click on shutdown icon in Windows menu. 4. After shutting down, turn off the monitor. And the 5th one, turn off UPS and unplug the machine.
So laptops වල වෙන කියන්නේ නේද?
Yeah, laptops, what you have to do is you just want to first step is there, second step is there, third step is there. That's all. You have 3 steps for the laptops.
Sir, I have a laptop. Me too.
Mostly, most of the kids nowadays they are using laptops, no?
Sir, they are easy.
System unit එක switch off කරන්න ඕනේ නැද්ද?
System unit එක shut down කරාම switch off වෙනවා පුතේ. When you shut down, it will automatically turn off. Functional, yes, we have to charge the UPS? Yes, we have to charge. We have to charge the UPS.
Computers වල charge කරන්න ඕනේ නැහැ නේද?
Laptops?
No sir, computers.
Computers no need to charge, but if you are using UPS, you have to charge. PCs no need to charge. Laptops you have to charge.
Sir, laptop වලට මේ CPU මේ UPS එකක් ගන්න නැහැ.
No, normally you are not connecting unless your laptop battery is low. You are connecting UPS, but that is not needed because you can replace the battery of the laptop. Okay, then I'm having another class. Let's finish by this one, right? Let's finish with this. Now you have a homework to do.
Excuse me, sir.
You have homework. Create a poster to display in your computer lab. You can draw this, right? You can draw this. Using computer also you can draw, but you can draw this using hand even. Athing and the command. Windows 8 also same method. So asking with the same print screen method. Yes, same print screen method. Create poster to display your computer lab showing bad practices. Showing bad practices and wrong poses. Create a poster to display in your computer lab showing bad practices. We learned this last week, bad practices. And wrong poses. Wrong poses means, what are the poses? Poses means, so basically, so if you, right, basically, yeah, poses mean the positions. So this shows you the poses. Here you can see.
Sir, in the computer we need to do that.
No need to do in the computer. You can draw it by hand. This shows good posture, right? This shows good postures because you can see monitor is aligned with the head, and this monitor is angled to the eye, and the back properly. Sitting position is good, and this hand position is also good. Right? You can see what happens if these postures are not followed, if these positions are not followed. So you have to keep distance with your machine, at least 18 inch, 1.5 feet, at least 18-inch distance from the monitor. So this is there in page number 21. So I couldn't discuss much about this, but just read it so you can understand. But I'll explain this in next day. Anyway, I'll explain this in next day.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in that Edmodo app, sir have put that practical sheet now.
Yeah.
So what we need to do in that?
You just need to fill that, right? So go to the practical sheet.
So how to fill that? I can't understand.
Go to the practical sheet. Basically, the sheets.google.com. So I'm showing my one to you. In front of the practical sheet, just put your name. So if you like to do the practical this time, maybe Monday 12:30, put your name. Let's say Mesat. And
So what we are doing in the practical?
grade 6, and then put your medium. That's all. So practical to practical, it's different. So we will start practically by doing practicals by January. So don't worry, now itself we don't want to start practicals immediately, but we need to learn about operating systems and all. Okay then.
Okay, sir.
Thank you very much. And see you all.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Stay safe.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Thank
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.